Hello everyone, this is Lalita ma'am and welcome to my channel. Today I have come up with a video for class 6 and chapter is electricity and circuits. Okay, so without delay let us explore this topic, electricity and circuits. Now to understand what is electricity, let's look at the following image. Now in this image you can see many appliances which we use in our kitchen. Yes, so like refrigerator, oven and so on. So all these appliances, they are integral part of our life. Yes, so these appliances run or they use electricity for functioning. So what is this electricity and how do we get this electricity? What are the different sources of this electricity? All these things we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, now what is electric current? Let us understand what is current. Okay, now electric current is nothing but a stream of charged particles. As you know, every particle has charges in it. Okay, so these charges, when you have a stream of flow of these charges, so this stream of charges constitute electric current. Now what are those charges? As we have already discussed about atom in our previous videos. Atom is the smallest particle of element and it contains protons, neutrons and electrons. Protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus and these electrons which are freely available, which revolve in the orbits, these electrons, flow of electrons constitute electric current. So electrons, when the stream of electrons flow from one point to another, then it produces electric current. Okay, so now it is as simple as like if you look at these two images. In the first image you can see the bulb glows when the electrons move from one terminal to another. There are two terminals, positive terminal and negative terminal. So these electrons, they move from negative terminal to positive terminal, and when these electrons move from negative terminal to positive terminal, then they produce electric current which flows in the opposite direction, that is from positive to negative. Now this analogy of flow of current is similar to that of flow of water. Now whenever you might have observed the flow of water through the waterfall or like through pipeline or any source of water. So you might have observed that water flows from, usually it flows from a point which is at higher terminal to the point which is at lower potential. Means from like in waterfall, you might have observed the water flows from top to bottom. So in the same way, current also flows from a body which is at higher potential to a body which is at lower potential. Okay, now there are different appliances which run by this electric current. So what are those appliances? Now what is electrical appliance? Okay, we have been using this term since 2-3 slides. So what is electrical appliance? Any appliance which runs on electricity is known as electrical appliance. Now the most important thing is whenever there will be a flow of current, then only that appliance will work. Like in your room, like you have AC or you have fan, you have like mixer, grinder, you have oven, all these appliances. If there is no electricity, these appliances do not run. So for proper functioning, for running or for functioning of these appliances, you require electricity. Okay, now do you know this electricity word is gifted or is given, or for the first time this electricity word was used by William Gilbert. Who was William Gilbert? He was a physicist who used these terms electricity and electrical force and also the concepts of electrical attraction and magnetic poles. So this person gifted us or gave us these terms electricity and electrical force. Now let us explore about what is electric bulb. As we have already seen that electric bulb is an is an electrical appliance, like it runs on or it works on electricity. So what are the different parts of this bulb? Okay. Now the most common electric bulb is also known as incandescent bulb. Now this incandescent bulb, it has a transparent, it is made up of transparent material, that is glass, and inside the glass it has very thin metallic wire. Okay, now this thin metallic wire is also known as the filament. And now when current passes through, now the different parts of this bulb are like glass bulb, filament, there is another support wire which supports the filament wire, and inside it the gas is filled. This gas doesn't react with with electricity. Okay, there is also contact wire, and there is an electrical contact at the bottom near the cap. Now when current passes through this bulb, then the filament or which is a metal wire, it gets heated, and then this heat, now this filament has high resistance, it tries to resist the flow of current, and because of that resistance this filament gets heated and more heat is produced, and with this more and more heat, that heat gets converted into light, and hence the bulb starts glowing. So in this way the bulb starts glowing and gives us light. Now this bulb, it is filled with that gas which is an inert gas. Inert gas means the gas which does not react. Okay, so that is why the filament doesn't react and it doesn't burn up because of the presence of that inert gas. Okay, so in this way the electric bulb works. So I hope these points are clear to you, and in the next video we'll continue the next topic, that is sources of electric current, and also we will discuss about the dry cell and different terms used in electrical circuit. Okay, so until then, bye bye, take care.